All right, big active day today in the cotton market. We started off the day up 50 or 60. Exports came out and they were bad, and the market backed off toward unchanged. July was actually down on the day after that, and December I think was unchanged. Then as the day went on, maybe around 9:30 this morning, the market started to firm up. Got about a 60 or 70 point rally in cotton. We had heard that was commercial accounts that were buying bull call spreads and other type call strategies to protect against an upside move. So as the day went on, we continued to build momentum, and at one point, July, that took the lead, was up almost 400 points. Now it's not going to close there; it had backed off those levels, but it was still up very strong. And December was lagging behind those levels, still up a lot and closed up very strong. But it was a very important day because it signaled that the market, we were starting to see short covering in from the mills in July. There were like 43,000 contracts that the mills were short in cotton that was on call and unfixed. And it looked like today we finally started seeing just the beginning of that being covered. This could be very explosive to the upside. We saw just a hint of it today, but this could continue. So it might be that July is going to take the lead, and December will also move up, but July could be where the explosive, highly volatile move is on a rally. So let's just look at this stuff. December up 234 at 92.87, a high of 93.80 in the December, and a low of 89.98. There was so much activity in the final minutes. It was huge volume. July cotton was up 283, closing around 93.78. It got up as high in July as 94.95, dropped almost 100 points in the last few minutes, but still was up very strong. So July saw a high of 94.95 on the low made last night, 90.45. What else? July soybeans also sold off a lot, down 18.5, 9.75 and 3/4, a high of 9.98 1/4, a low of 9.73. July corn down 2 at 3.76 1/4, a high of 3.82, a low of 3.73 1/4. July wheat up 7.5 at 5.27 1/4, a high of 5.37, a low of 5.19 1/4. Looking at outside markets, crude oil up 98 cents a barrel, dollar down 28. Gold up $2 an ounce, silver up 2 cents an ounce. Not much happening in the Dow Jones, is up 61. But be very aware, Friday, we're looking at tomorrow at Friday, you're going into a weekend. You're in a weather market with hot, dry weather, or certainly dry weather projected looking out over the next 6 to 10 days. At the same time, you're looking at a demand-driven market. Both are coming together and could provide an explosive move up continuing in the cotton market. So be aware of that. That's it. We will take a look at this first thing in the morning. Have a good evening.